Hey guys, we are back with Tokyo Hotel TV, a new season. Have fun watching it and make sure to watch it till the end.
Welcome to the What If video shoot for the first time in a long time actually. We are on set too. It's not only Bill, it's the whole band. We're doing a band performance here in the Botanischen Garten. We just have to wait till it's dark, set up the stuff and then...
Sorry, I have to work. Sorry.
And then we're gonna rock out with our cocks out. That's the plan.
We are night people. We stay up pretty long, like each day, because we're preparing the tour right now in our rehearsal space here in Berlin. So we have a lot of stuff to do.
I would say we are in East Germany, in the forest.
Das ist also eine ganz besondere Art hier, das ist die sogenannte Steinpflanze. Findet man ganz selten nur.
To be honest, I don't know anything about plants at all.
Me neither. I like palm trees.
Me too.
Grow my own weed, but
complicated.
there's no need for it anymore because I can't smoke it anymore. There's a certain time for every drug in your life, and there's like
and the weed thing is over. We had a phase where we were smoking weed every day for like a year, and we loved it. Like I woke up in the morning and I couldn't wait.
Can't do it, but now I can't.
But now I can't do it anymore. We are kind of
over.
It's over. It's like I feel like we are maybe too fucked up now because it does something weird with our
brain.
Yeah, I feel like with our the mental state we're in, it's like it's just not good for me. Like I start to panic and I get like socially awkward.
Ah, das sieht geil aus da oben. Da, guck mal, der fette Orange da, den würde ich gerne mal probieren.
Ein Solarium in Australien ist ungefähr genauso wichtig wie ein Fundbüro in Polen. Habe ich heute gelesen.
Gar nicht, du bist so langsam.
To this plant, yeah, we love each other. We love each other.
Thank you. Untersteh dich.
Das ist ein Live-Video, sag mal Hi zu meinen ganzen Followern.
Hallo, Bilds-Follower.
Geh doch mal richtig. Halt doch wenigstens mal einen Takt ein. Also, spiel's einfach stumpf drauf los.
Zurück zu guter Musik, ne?
Dann bitte auf Anfang, wir beginnen.
Das war doch mal quick, oder? It's a wrap. We're done for today. Fastest video ever. But it was good. Looks great. And we're happy.
Super exhausting video shoot.
Echt geile Arbeit, Mann. Gutes Ding geworden.
Warte doch mal, sag mal, seid ihr doof oder was? Ich schreibe hier gerade was.
Der haut mir in die Eier, Mann. Was soll ich denn machen?
Wie hoch war die Chance, dass ich das kleine Ding da treffe?
1 zu 2 Millionen.
I think I shot 6 videos in between on my own. As always, I'm the only one working.
I shot some porn videos in between.
Yeah.
No, just straight up porn private.
No, I mean he's sending that out to all the people that send him direct messages on his Instagram. If you want to see a nice dickie or a short video, just direct message Tom on his Instagram. Hey guys, thanks for watching Tokyo TV. If you liked it, make sure to subscribe and we see you next week.